A favicon genuinely is the small real icon shown in a browser tab, bookmark, and history, set via a real link tag. In this video you'll add a real working favicon. Real is equal to icon genuinely tells the browser this real file is the actual site icon, href genuinely points to the real image file. This real separate tag genuinely provides the actual icon used when a user adds the page to their real iOS home screen. A real SVG favicon genuinely scales crisply at any actual size, an increasingly common modern real choice. Link tag genuinely sets the real browser tab favicon. apple-icon genuinely provides a real separate icon for iOS home screens. A real SVG favicon genuinely scales crisply at any actual size. Add a real favicon link tag to a page of yours. Ready to write real HTML comments and understand whitespace?